Sorry it's been so long. I have zero motivation to make a video, and I've had zero motivation to do that for a while. But my wife told me to talk about that, so talking about it. It's weird to post something like this on a channel where I talk about resilience and strength and all that, but I guess just to give some insight into my life. A EF3 tornado ripped through my neighborhood, and thank God it barely missed us. Well, yeah, right? Yeah, so it didn't hit us. It kissed our house. But a lot of people lost their homes to the point where they're not coming back. And a few people passed away. And before that, had to put my dog down that I've had for 10 years. And now I'm dealing with some, I guess say some small self-worth issues, where my job is, and has always been for the past 10 years, to sell a product and make money for the company. And sometimes that kind of becomes, I guess you could say, my identity. And so when things don't go right, then it feels like there's failure that I'm dealing with. So that's what I'm battling right now. But yeah, I hope that everybody's doing well. And these things are just slumps that always happen in life. But I just tell myself that everything happens for a reason. And I guess a positive thing is I'm teaching myself how to fluently speak my wife's love language. So that's doing well. But yeah, take it or leave it. Just letting you guys know that you're not alone if you're feeling the same way. So have a good night, and I hope somehow this video helps. See ya.